hope you all are doing well. My name is Meeta Jatia and I welcome you to my channel Tanya Ali, where I make videos on makeup and skincare. Today's video is going to be about my Nykaa haul. I bought quite a few products, some makeup products, hair care products, skincare products from their Pink Friday Nykaa sale. And I thought I'll share with you guys all that I bought. So without further ado, let's jump in right into the video. Now the first product that I have with me here is the Pond's Vitamin Micellar Water, and this is in the variant Aloe Vera. This is a 250 ml bottle and it retails for 299 rupees. I obviously did get it at a discount in the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Now guys, this is a very good micellar water. It is very gentle on the skin. This is a refreshing cocktail of micellar water and essential vitamins. And this does a great job in removing your makeup, even waterproof makeup, dust, grime, impurities and sunscreen from your face. It's very gentle on the skin. It does not cause any redness, any itchiness. So all in all, it's a very good product. The next product is a body wash that I bought from the Pink Friday sale, and I bought the St. Eve's Radiant Skin Pink Lemon and Mandarin Orange Exfoliating Body Wash. Now guys, this is a 400 ml bottle and I don't really remember the price that I bought this at, but I definitely did get it at a very good discount. And this claims to be very gentle on the skin, good exfoliating body wash. Pink lemon and mandarin orange both do a great job in exfoliating and brightening the skin. So I am really looking forward to trying this particular product. Now the next product that I have with me here is a shampoo and a conditioner, and I'm talking about the Herbal Essences shampoo and conditioner duo with argan oil. Now guys, I read great reviews about both these products. The shampoo and the conditioner from Herbal Essences are made from 90% natural ingredients. They contain no parabens, no sulfates, no artificial colorants, and they claim to make the hair soft, bouncy, shiny. And this particular shampoo and conditioner is great for somebody with a dry scalp and itchiness. And since in winter my hair tends to get a bit dry, I thought I'll pick this duo since I was getting a great deal on the Herbal Essences product. So can't wait to try them. Lastly, I have yet again a hair product, and this is the Schwarzkopf Hair Spa Hair Mask. Now guys, this is a huge tub. It's a 500 ml bottle and it's surely going to last you for quite some time. I have actually read a lot of positive reviews from fellow YouTubers. They've spoken highly about this particular product, that it really helps nourish and condition your hair, makes it tangle-free, manageable. And the Pink Friday sale was the right time to pick this particular product out and give it a shot. So I'm looking forward to trying this particular product and giving my reviews about it. Now guys, coming to the fun part, which is makeup. Yes, I did pick up a few makeup products in their sale, and the first product is the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Long Lasting Setting Spray. Now guys, this is a mattifying setting spray. I again read a lot of positive reviews about this particular product, that it locks your makeup instantly and it just stays put. So I haven't got the opportunity yet to try this particular product out, but once I do, I will let you guys know my thoughts on it. Next product that I bought was a primer, and I'm talking about the Maybelline Master Prime Primer for oily skin. Again, this had a lot of positive reviews in the Nykaa website, so since I was getting it at a good price, I decided to pick this primer up because I anyways was running out of my old primer and I was looking for a new one, so I thought of giving this particular primer a shot. The next two products are lipsticks, and I'm talking about the Smashbox Mini Lipstick Duo from the Malvika Sitlani collection. The first one is in the shade Babe Alert, and the other one is the shade Driver's Seat. I'm going to swatch both the shades and show you. This is driver's seat. And this one is Babe Alert. Now I've been wanting to try both these shades for quite some time, and Nykaa always had both these duos sold out, always whenever I tried to buy this particular product. So since it was available in the Pink Friday sale, I just decided to grab it. Now lastly, I have yet again two lipsticks, and I picked up these two lipsticks from the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Crayon collection. And this is the shade Live on Edge, and this is the shade Settle for More. This is the shade Live on Edge. And this is the shade Settle for More. One is a beautiful brown color and one is a beautiful dark burgundy color. Both these shades are apt for the winter season, and that is why I decided to pick it up. Also, they were available at a flat 50% discount, and so I decided to try these two particular lipsticks because I really was eyeing them, and since I was getting at a discount, I thought, why not, let's just pick this up and give it a try. The matte ink crayon lipsticks from Maybelline again have great reviews. They are long lasting, they are very comfortable on the lips, and they are matte. With this, it's a wrap, guys. If you liked the video, do give me a like, share, subscribe to my channel. Please take a moment to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.